Hello and welcome. Have you ever felt stuck or unsure about how things are going to unfold in your life? We all go through moments of doubt, moments when it feels like nothing is progressing. But what if I told you that everything you desire is already within your reach, just waiting for you to take the right steps? The key to everything unfolding as it should lies within you. It's not about waiting for something outside of you to change, it's about changing your own inner world. Once you understand how this works, you'll see that the very things you've been longing for are already on their way to you. You see, we often look outside ourselves for the answers. We think that the external world needs to change before we can feel better, achieve more, or live the life we truly desire. But the truth is, it's the internal world that needs to change first. Everything begins with you, your thoughts, your beliefs, your feelings. And when you start to shift these inner aspects, the outer world begins to reflect that change. It's as if the universe is simply waiting for you to give it the right signals, and once you do, things start to unfold effortlessly. So, let's talk about the steps that will allow you to create the reality you desire. The first step is to understand that your imagination is not just a tool for daydreaming, it's a powerful creative force. Whatever you can imagine with vivid detail is already a possibility. The world around you responds to the images, feelings, and beliefs you hold within your mind. If you want something to change, if you want to manifest a new reality, the key is to imagine it already here. You must feel the emotion of having what you desire as though it's already yours. This isn't about wishing or hoping, it's about truly living in the feeling of already having what you want. Imagine yourself living your ideal life, see it in as much detail as possible, and let yourself feel the emotions that come with it. This is the first step in making everything unfold. The next step is faith. Faith is often misunderstood. It's not about hoping for something to happen, it's about knowing with certainty that it will. Faith is the unwavering belief that what you've imagined and felt is already yours. It's about trusting in the power of your own mind and knowing that it's not a matter of if, but when. When you have faith, you stop doubting yourself and the process. You stop worrying about when or how it will happen. You simply trust that it is already in motion. Your thoughts, your emotions, and your beliefs are working together to bring it into reality. And when you live with this kind of faith, you begin to see opportunities, synchronicities, and signs that show you that everything is aligning perfectly. Another critical step is letting go of attachment to the outcome. This might seem counterintuitive, but it's important. When you hold on too tightly to a specific outcome, you're sending out a message of doubt. You're signaling to the universe that you're not sure if you really believe it will happen. Letting go isn't about giving up on your desires, but rather, it's about releasing the need to control the how or the when. It's about trusting that the process is unfolding perfectly, even if you can't see all the pieces yet. When you let go, you create space for things to happen in ways you never imagined. The universe, or whatever you prefer to call it, has an infinite number of ways to deliver your desires. So, when you stop trying to control the process, you open yourself up to receiving in ways that are even better than you expected. Now, let's talk about persistence. The next step in making everything unfold is to persist in your beliefs. This doesn't mean that you need to constantly affirm or force your desires. It simply means that you need to hold steady in your belief that what you desire is already on its way. Keep your thoughts and feelings aligned with your vision, and don't allow temporary circumstances to shake your faith. When you are persistent in your belief, even when things seem difficult or slow, the world will respond in ways that may surprise you. Persistence is about continuing to live from the state of having what you want, even if the outer world hasn't fully caught up yet. When you do this, the universe has no choice but to reflect back to you exactly what you've been imagining. It's like planting a seed in the soil and trusting that it will grow, even if you don't see the sprout right away. The next step is gratitude. Gratitude is the powerful emotion that can accelerate your manifestations. When you feel grateful for what you already have, no matter how small, you're sending a message to the universe that you are open to receiving more. Gratitude is an act of appreciation, and it shifts your focus from lack to abundance. It reminds you that you are already in a state of receiving, and that your desires are already on their way. Every time you feel grateful, you strengthen the belief that what you want is already coming to you. Gratitude also helps you stay in the present moment, which is where all creation happens. When you appreciate the present, you attract more reasons to be thankful, and that momentum helps bring your desires into your physical reality. As you move forward with this process, it's important to understand that the path isn't always linear. You may encounter moments of doubt or face challenges that seem insurmountable, but these are the very moments when your true strength is tested. It is in these times that you must hold firm to the belief that the steps you are taking are leading you exactly where you need to be. Even when things don't seem to align, the unseen forces are working behind the scenes to bring you what you have asked for. In those moments of difficulty, don't lose sight of the power of persistence. It's easy to feel like giving up when results don't come quickly or in the way you imagined, but it is crucial to keep going. You've already set the intention, and now you must allow the universe to deliver. The key is to remain in the state of having what you desire, even when you can't see the manifestation physically yet. Your inner world is shaping the outer world, and every thought, belief, and feeling you have is influencing the outcome. This is where many people go wrong. They expect instant results. But everything takes time. Just like planting a seed in the soil, you cannot expect to see the fruit immediately. It requires patience, care, and belief that, in due time, the seed will sprout. Likewise, your desires are taking root in the field of your imagination. Trust that the universe is working to bring you exactly what you need, in the best way and at the perfect time. Another aspect to consider is the importance of staying open to new possibilities. When you are fixed on one particular outcome, you close yourself off to the myriad of ways your desires could be fulfilled. Sometimes, what you think you want may not be the best thing for you, or the universe may have an even better plan. Staying flexible and open allows you to recognize opportunities that you might have otherwise missed. The universe doesn't always deliver things in the form we expect. Often, it comes through unexpected people, situations, or opportunities. By staying open to new experiences, you create more room for growth and success. Even if things don't look the way you envisioned at first, trust that the perfect circumstances are aligning for you. The right path will unfold, and you will recognize it when you're in tune with the flow of life. Also, understand that everything is unfolding in perfect timing. This step is about trusting that everything is happening exactly when it's supposed to. Sometimes we feel like things should be happening faster or that we should be further along than we are. But the truth is, everything is unfolding at the exact pace it needs to in order for you to learn, grow, and become the person you need to be to fully receive your desires. When you trust in the timing of your life, you stop rushing and start enjoying the process. You see that each moment is leading you closer to your goal. Even the challenges, setbacks, and detours are part of the perfect plan. They are shaping you and preparing you for what's to come. So, to sum it all up, take the time to imagine your desires as already real. Feel the emotions of having them now. Cultivate unwavering faith and trust in your own power. Let go of the need to control the outcome. Be persistent in your beliefs, even when the outer world doesn't seem to reflect them. Practice gratitude, and know that everything is unfolding perfectly, at the perfect time. As you take these steps, you'll begin to see the world shift around you. Things will unfold in ways you never thought possible. Your desires will start to materialize, and you'll realize that the power to create your life has always been within you. And remember, everything is possible when you take these steps. It's all unfolding right now, as you align your inner world with your outer desires. You've already taken the first step by opening yourself to this understanding, and the rest will follow as you continue to believe and trust in the process. Take the next step with confidence, and know that everything you want is already on its way to you. So, before we finish, I kindly ask you to like this video if it resonated with you. Subscribing ensures that you're part of this channel's journey, where we continue to explore the incredible power of the mind and how you can use it to shape your reality. Together, we can all grow and create the life we deserve.